Welcome to Rotronics Battery Management Solutions. My name is Ken Clark, and today I'm going to take you through the processes of how to use the Midtronics GRX3000 battery charging station. Power up the GRX3000, select the diagnostic charge mode required along with the battery location. Enter the battery information taken from the battery label of the battery required diagnostic charge. Conductance testing and analysis will now be performed. Subject to how the battery's charge acceptance performs, the on-screen display will show estimated charging time to completion. Once charging is complete, the on-screen display will show summary of test and charging results, which can now be printed off using the integrated thermal printer. Increase sales opportunities through accurate diagnosis using a proactive Rotronics battery management program.